bernyanyi. I sing a song. I do not sing a song. Do you sing a song? Bye-bye. Hi everyone, my name is Dio. Sit dulu. You sit on the chair. You do not sit on the chair. Do you sit on the chair? Hello everyone, my name is Marcelo. She does not swim in the swimming pool. Does she swim in the swimming pool? Hello, my name is Kalisa Ramlali. I run in the house. I do not run in the house. Do you run in the house? Bye. My name is Jihan. No one knows me. I know you like sunflower. I do not know you like sunflower. Do you like sunflower? Hello everyone, my name is Fatan. Still, Manjuri. She steals the cat. She does not steal the cat. Does he steal the cat? Bye bye. Hey everyone, my name is Dipan. Right, mengendarai. I drive to the park. I do not drive to the park. Do you drive to the park? Bye. Everyone, my name is Akhtar. Bye, Pembeli. He buys meatball. He does not buy meatball. Does he buy meatball? Bye bye. My name is Zafran. Eat, makan. He eats fried chicken. He does not eat fried chicken. Does he eat fried chicken? Bye bye.
Everyone, my name is Ilham Swam. Before the kid to start, I will walk. Do you walk?
Weekdays are busy with school activities. I join an extracurricular after school.
I go straight home and study.
How do you manage your time? I make a simple daily schedule.
I set priorities for important tasks.
Thank you. Yes, at 9 o'clock on school night. Yes, early I sleep at 8. Sleeping early helps me wake up early. I know that I still watch video very tired. That happens in me. Every morning. That's interesting. That's activities. Study, have home, and exercise. I don't like a list, but I can like writing, helping, and I wake up at 5 in the morning on school day. Prepare my bed and help my parents before school. After that, I take shower and have breakfast. I often skip breakfast, but I do well with it. Breakfast helps me stay focused in the class. Then I saw every day. I always check my phone in the morning.
I try not to use my phone too much before school.
I read messages from my friends and teachers.
I prefer listening to music while getting ready.
Music helps me to relax.
Me too, especially in the morning.
Bye-bye. Start my day by making my bed. I usually open the window and get some fresh air.
I check my schedule for the day.
After school, I do homework first. I relax for a while before studying.
I study at night because it's quiet.